Hey guys, it's a Fox Cuber here and today I'll be reviewing the Valk first 2x2, the Valk 2M. The Valk 2M was released in 12 September last year. It is priced at around $20 and weighs around 2.8 ounces. It measures 51mm, which is larger than a standard 2x2. The cube is packaged in a standard Valk design box and is placed in a solid display box. Inside, we have pamphlets, some polishing cloth and some additional springs. The magnet position in the cube are unlike any other 2x2 on the market. Rather than a typical corner-only magnet layout, the Valk 2M uses a corner-edge magnet layout resembling that of a 3x3. This gives the puzzle a smaller magnetic radius, making the feel more constant throughout the solves. The Valk 2M corner cuts just as well as a 3x3 do. The reverse cutting is actually better than 3x3 currently on the market. So after playing with this cube for some time, I really like this 2x2. It comes in both black and stickerless. It feels solid and stable throughout the solves. Out of the box, it had lockup issues and the magnet strengths were strong for me. But after proper looping and tensioning, there were no more lockup issues in the cube. After a few hundred solves, I got adapted to the strength of the magnets in this cube, but they are still strong for me. Overall, the cube is great and is worth buying. The link for the cube is down in the description below. If you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe. Bye.